The Volkswagen Passat has always been a beacon of refined practicality in the mid-size sedan sector, and its 2024 model continues to uphold this tradition with a modern twist. The ninth generation of the Passat has made a daring leap forward in terms of technological innovation, comfort, and size, without compromising on its enduring design philosophy. Scheduled for launch in the first quarter of 2024, the all-new Passat offers an array of impressive features, including the advanced MQB Evo plug-in hybrid drive, high-quality ergoActive seats, and a redesigned intuitive cockpit and infotainment system. Under the hood, the 2024 Passat variant is powered by an array of engines thanks to the MQB Evo. These include the traditional turbo-diesel engines, turbocharged petrol engines, mild hybrid turbocharged petrol engines, and the cutting-edge plug-in hybrid systems. The e-hybrid variant is particularly noteworthy with its ability to cover up to 100 kilometers on electric power alone, a marked improvement compared to its predecessors. Charging capabilities have also been enhanced, with faster AC charging and, for the first time, standard DC charging across all e-hybrid versions. In terms of driving dynamics, Volkswagen has outdone itself with the new adaptive chassis control system. This advanced system, paired with the optional DCC Pro with 2-valve shock absorbers, ensures a smooth, comfortable ride by continuously adjusting to the road surface and driving situation. The longer wheelbase and more direct steering ratio significantly contribute to a more stable, agile, and refined driving experience, making the Passat variant an excellent companion for both city commuting and long journeys. The interior of the 2024 Passat variant exudes an aura of luxury and comfort, a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to providing premium quality for its customers. The ergoActive seats, available as an option, offer up to 14-way electric adjustment along with a selection of massage and air conditioning functions. The superior noise insulation and use of high-grade materials further enhance the in-cabin experience, making even the longest of journeys pleasant and comfortable. Volkswagen has prioritized intuitive user experience in the 2024 Passat variant. This focus is evident in the new cockpit and infotainment system, designed to be as user-friendly as possible. The standard infotainment display measures a sizable 12.9 inches, with an even larger 15-inch display available as an option. The inclusion of backlit touch sliders for adjusting the interior temperature and volume, and the optional head-up display that projects information onto the windscreen clearly show Volkswagen's dedication to providing an advanced and accessible driving experience. The 2024 Passat variant has grown in size, offering more legroom and cargo space than its predecessor. The added length of 14 centimeters results in an extra 5 centimeters of legroom. Simultaneously, the luggage compartment capacity has expanded by 40 liters to 690 liters, reaching an impressive 1920 liters when the rear bench seat is folded down. This increase in space does not compromise the vehicle's sleek design, making the Passat variant as aesthetically pleasing as it is functional. The exterior of the 2024 Passat variant is sure to turn heads with its new generation of IQ Light LED matrix headlights. These advanced headlights, which are flatter and more powerful than the previous versions, provide excellent road illumination. The rear of the vehicle features a continuous horizontal LED strip for the taillight clusters, adding a touch of elegance to the vehicle's exterior design. The 2024 Volkswagen Passat variant marks a significant evolution in the midsize sedan sector. Its emphasis on advanced technology, user-friendly design, luxurious comfort, and practicality sets a high standard for its competitors. Whether it's the impressive drive options, enhanced interior, increased space, or advanced lighting system, the all-new Passat variant shows Volkswagen's commitment to offering the best possible driving experience. With its blend of tradition and innovation, the 2024 Passat is set to continue Volkswagen's legacy of success in the midsize sedan market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.